Hi sir, our lesson for today po ay yung ating lesson 11, the trigonometric function. Ayan, once the reference angle of the triangle was established, the ratio of each side will remain the same regardless of how much we change one side. There are 6 trigonometric functions, 3 of which are the basics, while the other 3 are just reciprocal of the other 3. With reference to the angle, the following are the 6 trigonometric functions which follow the acronym SOHCAHTOA and CHOSHAKAO. Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Ayan po sir, ayan. Let's have an example po sir. Ayan, example po. Yung ating side po natin ay side C, side A, and side B. Ayan po yung ating side A po ay adjacent, hypotenuse, and opposite. Ayan. Opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. Adjacent yung A, hypotenuse yung B, opposite yung ating letter C. Tama, opposite yung ating letter C. Let's have a example. Ito po yung kanyang formula po. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Bale, yung ating A squared ay yung ating adjacent, kaya yung 6. 6 squared plus 14 squared, yung ating B squared naman po yung ating hypotenuse. Yung ating hinahanap po ay yung ating opposite angle. Ayan po. 6 squared plus 14 squared. 6 squared ay kinalabasan po niya ay 36 plus 196 yung ating 14 squared is equal to 6 C squared. Ayan. Bale, ipa-plus lang po natin yan sir ay 232. Square root of 232 na po siya sir dahil tatanggalin natin C squared. Yung ating squared dyan, sir. Tatanggalan natin para mag-square root po siya. Ayan, naka-square root na po siya, sir. Tatanggalin natin si squared. Kaya ang kinalabasan po ni square root of 232 po ay 15.23 cm. Ayan po ang kanyang opposite side po, sir. Ang kanyang final answer. Ayan lang po yung ating example, sir. Sana may natutunan po kayo sa ating lesson for today. Maraming salamat po.